Blending two letter sounds with a vowel before consonants. Favor, a beautiful girl, arrived school on a Monday morning. As she walked into the classroom, she saw a chart of alphabets and she asked the teacher, "Please, ma, when do we start blending two letter sounds with our vowels and the consonants? I want to start reading. I want to start blending my sounds to read very well." The teacher looked at Favor and said, "This is the time. We're reading, we're blending our sounds today. So look at the bird and read after me. A, b, ab, a, k, ak, a, d, ad, a, f, af, a, g, ag, a, h, ah, a, j, aj, a, k, ak, a, al, a, am, a, an, a, p, ap, a, qu, ak, a, s, as, a, t, at, a, v, av, a, u, ow, a, x, ax, a, e, I, a, z, as. After reading the sounds, Favor was so excited and she said to herself, "I am a good girl because I can blend my two letter sounds correctly." Thank you, Mrs. Romeo.